Imagine a world where pain melts away, stress dissolves, and your body feels rejuvenated and alive. Welcome to the incredible synergy of cupping therapy and acupuncture, a dynamic combination that offers you a path to true well-being. Cupping therapy is like a deep tissue massage on steroids, drawing out tension, improving circulation, and detoxifying your body. But when you pair it with acupuncture, the results are nothing short of magical. Acupuncture taps into your body's energy pathways, releasing endorphins and enhancing blood flow, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Picture this: as the gentle suction of the cups works its magic, your muscles relax, inflammation subsides, and toxins are flushed away. Meanwhile, acupuncture targets specific points, amplifying these effects and balancing your body's internal systems. It's a 1-2 punch that leaves you feeling not just better, but transformed. Why settle for ordinary when you can experience extraordinary? When you're recovering from an injury, dealing with chronic pain, or just seeking a holistic boost, the combined power of cupping and acupuncture is your ticket to a healthier, happier you. Ready to transform your life? Start Journey to Wellness today.